So guys, right now we're in the studio. Just got back from shopping. We are starting with the assembling of the boards, but I don't think I will take videos of this process because I need to be hands-on. My brother is running a bit late, so I have to start helping with the boards, and then I'll try and film if I can. So guys, look at how I look. I look sleep deprived because I am on this part of the beauty studio. Yes, not beauty room. Oh my gosh, I can't even think. We have no idea what we're doing. We just saw a video on YouTube, not even YouTube, on Pinterest of somebody doing this, and I'm basically trying to replicate their steps. Even though it wasn't a tutorial, it was rather a video showing how it's done. We are basically just taking everything from there. Yeah, this is my stage right now, but this is how it's looking so far, and I think we got a hang of it a little. we will see when we have to put up the Pampas if it actually worked. So guys, I almost did not upload. I almost didn't upload this unboxing because of how frustrated I am right now. I'm supposed to be done with everything in 3 days. Everything is still pretty much looking a mess. I'm not happy with the progress so far. My finances are not even allowing me to do the extra things that I want. I have to basically keep whatever I have, or like now, in order to make up for the things that are not there, buy ones that I can afford right now, which is like, I'm not that type of person. I'm a person who either goes big or, well, not with the size of the studio, but when I purchase things, I like to purchase the one that I really want instead of purchasing an alternative, because it would mean I am going to buy the one I really want later. So for me, it's basically just a waste of money. But right now I am frustrated. I have a bit of stress because I am back at work mobile, but now I am taking bookings. So but now I can't even speak. I've just come across a dilemma, and it's so sad because I'm supposed to be happy and celebrating for it, but it's affecting me negatively. It's affecting the next person positively, but affecting me negatively. So it's like a situation where you have to be happy, but yet you're sad at the same time. So my business is now going to get affected. I need to start running and finding ways to make up for that, but it's so last minute. I have to start working in 3 days. So anyways, today I am alone at the studio. My brother's not here because I think he's done most of the work that he's supposed to do, and I think everything is done, but things just keep adding. Things are done, but things keep adding. For example, I can't open my couches fully because it's still quite a bit of a mess here, because I haven't finished the flooring, the end profiles of the flooring. I can't clean my cabinets and my what is this? Chest of drawers. I can't clean that because there's still tools that are being used. So I can't put everything in its place right now because everything is still quite in a state that is not ready to be put in. I want to mop the floors, but I can't because today the fiber people are coming back and they might just drill again, and which will now get my couches dirty. I need to, I don't know. So what I'm planning to do is to run errands. I have my hair half done. I'm sure you saw on the previous video. So I can't do that. I have to put that on hold. I have to go run errands because there's still things that I need to buy. There's still things that I need to buy, and I'm frustrated because I can't spend more, and now I don't want to spend my own money. The business has to pay for its own things. I can try and loan it. Actually, I will be loaning the business money so that I can run all these errands. And what else do I need to do? Let me unbox my Wi-Fi with you. So I'm opening it together with you guys because I don't know what's inside. I just want to see. Oh, I did my nails, y'all. Oh, cute. It is so gigantic. What the hell? I thought it would be smaller than this. And then what is in here? Oh, did it have to be yellow? Did it? Because how is that gonna fit now with the aesthetic of the room? I'm just gonna take everything out the box and read my manual. Oh, my password, y'all. It is so big. Like, no ways. Couldn't they have bought a smaller Wi-Fi? What the hell? Router. No, this is gigantic. One more. Yeah. I don't know how these people operate, but the people who came to put in my fiber, they left the other day with the wire sitting on top, and apparently the wire is very sensitive, and that's what they told me. And then they told me they'll come back the next day to fix it. I shouldn't touch it. Bear in mind, it was just sitting in a place that I have to work in, but I was like, okay, they're coming most the next day, so it's fine. I closed and I left. When I came back, it was in the same spot. They put tape on it. Sat the whole day. They didn't pitch. And then now I missed a whole day of work because they didn't pitch. Now today they pitch to do this, to finish the installation. My brother tells me, Jorge, this thing, they drilled it in the middle of the wall. They should have drilled it on the side. And then when they have to mount it, they almost just put it anywhere on the wall without consulting me. So luckily I saw how they use a glue gun to mount it, and I was like, stop, please stop. They were just gonna let the cable go like this on top of the wall panels. Imagine, like, why? You can see, I'll show you right now there how you can see that my electricity is going in a specific sequence to ensure that everything looks neat and clean, and you just want to cross the Wi-Fi over on top of the panels. That's why I was just like, guys, please don't do it. I will do it myself. And they did warn me that I could break the thing because it's glass and blah blah blah. And I took that caution because I could be wrong, I could break it, but I will try my utmost best to be very careful with it and mount it on the side, on the position that I want, in a very neat manner.